Oh wow, and you just maneuver? That's something. Amazing. Look at this. The template.
Tengo qua? Sì.
Oh. Joystick. Oh, that is so cool. Voila.
Voila.
Bravo. That is very cool.
It's amazing. It's a reverse Benson.
Yeah, that's a whole different experience.
Jimmy who?
That's a no-no. We got paint. This is the first coat on MDF. It cleans. Look at the rag. Is there paint on it? Wow.
I don't think so.
That's only one coat. Good coverage. And I'm not being paid to say this. I can't even read the can. I like it. What do you think? It's a go. This is an access panel for the ventilation for the fume hood. So I'm just gonna screw it in. if you only paint one side of this, it's gonna curl up like a Pringle, or a potato chip rather. This video is not sponsored by Pringles. Actually, Pringles are made from all the black, rotten potatoes that get rejected by the other companies. And they bleach the hell out of them and turn them into a paste and form them into those shapes. Anyway, I'm gonna lean it on this ladder so I can mop this thing down, mop and glow, as my Uncle Chuck would say. Flip her to it and paint the other side.
Fuck.
Let's see what happens. Wait, let's do the OSHA check. Toes at the base, back straight, full extension, wobbly top, aluminum collapsible ladder.